Welcome back to Design Maven. I'm Adrian Heng, and in today's Expert DNA, we'll be covering one of the most sought after questions most of us will have when preparing for renovation: how to minimize costs. Due to inflation, the cost of living has skyrocketed through the roof. Renovation costs hasn't been spared too. Let me share 5 important tips on how to save money on your renovation and still be able to create a nice and cozy home for you and your loved ones. With renovation costs rising as we speak, it's very important to manage your renovation budget without burning a hole in your pocket. Here are some of the things to look out for so that we can prioritize the more important tasks at hand. If you are getting a brand new development, be it an apartment or landed property, avoid demolishing walls or flooring to save costs and build on top of the brand new framework like your built-in cabinets, curtains and false ceiling, and dress up with a fresh coat of paint or wall covering. For homeowners looking for a resale home, if possible, look for a recently renovated home, so you may need only minor touch-ups. Homes which are older will probably require a complete overhaul and may become a strain on your renovation costs. Here are 5 important tips to note to save on renovation costs. Number 1. Avoid hacking of walls, flooring or bathroom. Demolition costs can be quite high depending on the scale. Flooring and walls have to be plastered and smoothened before new tiles can be laid on top. For bathrooms, demolition requires a new waterproofing coating and new plumbing works. And if the waterproofing is not done properly, it may create further costs to get it fixed. Number 2. Overlay flooring or walls and repolishing. Instead of hacking the existing flooring, an alternative option is to lay over the flooring with tiles or vinyl. Installation of such laminate flooring is fast and can be done within 1 day. Toilet walls and flooring can be overlaid with tiles over existing ones, but do make sure that there is no leaking on the existing bathroom flooring.
So, what other choices besides vinyl flooring and tiles do I have? Any other faster or cheaper way possible?
Fastest and cheapest alternative is to use a big rug to cover the area, but that's only partial and won't be able to cover all if the existing flooring is very old or damaged. If your flooring is marble, natural stone or timber, then the fastest way is to have it resanded and repolished or revarnished to make it look new again. For timber flooring that's damaged by water seepage, it's important to have the area affected repaired before sanding and revarnishing. Number 3. Try to reuse or repurpose existing furnishings. If you have furniture that is still in good condition, you can do a reupholstery of the sofa or dining chair into a new fabric to blend into the new look of the home, or change the throw cushion covers to fit the design theme. Number 4. Get online bargain deals. It's worth a try to hunt for good deals online if you know exactly what you want. Always check on the seller's reviews before making your purchase. If the prices are too low, quality of the furniture may have been compromised. Should budget allow, investing in quality furniture and furnishings will enable you to make the design more lasting and serve you better in the long run.
Do you advise buying from online shopping portal overseas?
Any online platform has its fair share of risks. Go through the reviews carefully before making purchase. Compared to a local retailer, most online platforms do not offer warranty and after-sales services. Moreover, you may need to get help with installation, and the worst nightmare is to have parts missing from the package. Go for products that does not require installation to minimize your risk, like table lamps, throw cushions, or decorative items. Number 5. Break your renovation in phases. Start on the most important areas in the home, such as living room, bathroom, and kitchen. And if the toilet is old, be sure to include your renovation budget on the toilet, as the waterproofing may have worn off after many years. The study room and guest room can wait till budget allows. A quick way to transform spaces will be to apply a fresh coat of paint or install a statement wall covering. We hope this video will help you better plan your renovation and save some renovation costs, yet you are still able to create the dream home you have always wanted. Never underestimate the power of accessorizing your home with the proper accessories such as artwork, plants, and throw cushions. Every little detail adds to making your home a cozy nest. Do leave us your comment below and share with us how you save money on your reno. For homeowners who intend to stay in the home during the renovation process, avoid massive hacking or demolition, as this will cause a lot of inconvenience and major cleaning issues. You may want to consider moving out temporarily during the demolition phase. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell to be informed when we release our next video. We will be giving away $1,800 worth of Goodrich vouchers in our very next episode. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. This is Adrian Heng from Design Maven signing off. See you guys.